Hi there, hi there, everybody. This is TG Taro, and with another segment on homemade do-it-yourself PPE coronavirus protective accessories. And a number of you guys were very interested in how I made my face shield. Okay, this is my face shield right here. Where is it? Okay. And again, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Okay, made from just stuff that you can get around the house. Okay, it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. It probably is not particularly fancy, but it works, which is the important part. Okay, so basically, the components are uh, plastic sheeting. Okay, any transparent plastic sheeting. One source are the Fellows binding covers. Again, you'll find them in any Office Depot or Staples or stationery store. Transparent, clear vinyl or acetate binding covers. Or, even better, cutting up a 2-liter soda bottle, Fanta, Coca-Cola, seltzer, a 2-liter bottle, cut the top and the bottom off, then, slice up the top, and you have a perfect curved mask. Okay. Then the next thing you'll need is weather stripping. Again, just plain old rubber foam weather stripping. Okay. And then, pair of scissors. Okay. And you need also, where is it? Where'd it go? I had it in my hands. The stretchy material. Here you go. Stretch Right. Okay, Stretch Right material. Look at the price, $1.59. And you get a 1/2 inch, 4.5 yards. That'll make a lot of masks. Okay. And again, cut it up, trim it. You use your imagination and your own ability. Now, I put 2 layers of the foam strip because I want to have the mask away from my face to give the face mask, okay, the actual, face mask room so that so it all works out. So the idea is that this face shield stands out away from my face enough that it allows clearance for the mask, for the face mask, okay? So when I put it all together, here we go. You see how it works. And again, like I said, this is homemade. We're not trying to win a beauty contest here. We just want something that works, okay? So here goes putting on my usual mask here. My usual, there we go. There's my mask. Okay, and then I put on the face shield. And like I said, the secret is to have that standing up far enough away from my face so that it comes down and completely covers and protects the face mask. That's the whole point. You want it to completely cover this. So this actually protects the face mask and lets the face mask actually work a lot better and longer because there's no direct, droplets or, bugs attacking the actual face mask. Okay? So like I said, it's real easy. You can do it with stuff around the house. All right? And all you need is weather stripping, plastic sheeting, or a 2-liter soda bottle, pair of scissors, and again, weather stripping, the weather stripping, and the elastic stretcher. and it works. Now let's try it with my homemade mask. This is my homemade mask that some of you saw me make with the from the HEPA vacuum cleaner bag. There we go. Put it there. Boom, boom, boom. And now let's try it. See if it clears. There you go. Total protection. Is that cool or what? Okay, guys. Blessings. Namaste. I love you. See, now you can protect yourself totally, okay, with stuff around the house. Okay, blessings. I love you. Namaste. Enjoy. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know if you tried it out and how it works for you.